Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and instantly engaging the parking brake. It prevents roll while you adjust lighting. Once done, switch the headlight control to auto or directly to low beam. Auto is convenient, but check low beams manually if visibility is poor. Make sure the dashboard headlight icon is lit and glance at side mirrors for beam glow. You're initiating the system now so you can focus on aiming and set high beams only when appropriate. Once the headlights are on, you'll adjust aim to avoid blinding others and to maximize road illumination. Position the car about 25-30 feet from a wall and align beam center with manufacturer marks. Lower if it hits too high. Use fog lights only when visibility drops under about 500 meters. They reduce glare and illuminate lower road surfaces. When you need extra distance, briefly toggle high beam. Make sure to dip them for oncoming vehicles or when following another car. You now drive with properly set lights while continuously scanning gauges and mirrors to catch dimming or warning indicators. If a bulb looks dim or a headlight fails, plan to replace bulbs in pairs to maintain even illumination. Carry a spare and a small toolkit. If lights flicker or quit, pull over safely, turn on hazards, and inspect connectors. Loose wiring is often the culprit. If you can't fix it, call for assistance and avoid night driving until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.